This quick video will have you mastering synthetic division in seconds. Let's consider this example. 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus x plus 12. In the previous videos, we learned how to factor quadratic equations. However, this is a cubic polynomial because it has a degree of 3. Given that we want to divide this polynomial by x minus 4, how can we do this and how can we fully factor this equation? Traditional methods will show you how to use long division for polynomials, but today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method called synthetic division. First thing we need for synthetic division is our c value. So in this case, it is 4. We're going to put that 4 in a corner over here. The next thing we want to do is grab all the coefficients from our cubic polynomial. We have 2, -9, 1, and 12. This is where the magic is about to happen. What we want to do is first take down our first value, which is 2. We're then going to multiply this value by our c value. 2 times 4 equals to 8. And then we have to make sure that we're adding our columns. -9 plus 8 is -1. Repeat the process. Multiply -1 by 4. Add our column. 1 minus 4 equals to -3. Again, multiply around, which gives us to -12. And then finally add our last column, which gives 0. By getting a 0 here, that means that your remainder is 0. So that proves that x minus 4 is a factor of this cubic polynomial by the remainder theorem. Let's see what we have now. So we need to collect all of our terms here at the bottom. So we now have 2, -1, and -3. Keeping them in order, we can find their position in the new quadratic equation. So we have 2x squared minus 1x minus 3. So now we need to go and factor this. But we already know how to do this. This is a quadratic equation. So let's use our product sum rule. 2 times -3 is -6. So our product is 6 and our sum is -1. Let's go through the factors of 6. And then we also have -1 and 6, -2 and 3. And we can do one more. We have 1 and -6, and then 2 and -3. I can see right now that 2 minus 3 gives -1. So these are our two numbers which can be used to factor our quadratic equation. So let's put that into factored form. So here we're going to have 2x squared plus 2x in our first term, and then in our second term we are going to have -3x minus 3. Let's factor out from each term. So we've got 2x, which leaves us with x plus 1, and here we can take out a -3, which leaves us with x plus 1. The values within our brackets are the same, which means that we have successfully factored. So let's collect the terms we have left. So on the outside we have 2x minus 3. So that gives us 2x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1. But don't forget our first term. If we were to take a scroll up memory lane, we see that x minus 4 is still a factor, so we can't forget this in our final factored form. So let's add that over here, x minus 4. And there you have it. We have factored a cubic polynomial with ease. If you found this video helpful and interesting, drop a like and comment any questions that you have below. Subscribe for more fun and easy to follow math videos. See you next time!